Okay everybody, we're done harvesting the potatoes, and as I said in a previous video, the Norland Reds did a lot better for us than the Yukon Golds. I'm not sure why that is, but there it is. We're going to go through these and see if there's any bad ones, and we're going to take them inside to cure them, and we'll go from there. But from the looks of it, we'll have potatoes for a little while. Brandon, what's your favorite thing that we do with the potatoes? You like mashed potatoes? Tracy, what's yours?
Baked potatoes!
Oh yeah? Kaylin, what do you like?
Mashed potatoes!
You like them mashed? Now, y'all heard what their answers was, but what if I said Daddy's gonna make some of Daddy's garlic roasted herb potatoes tonight? Y'all like that, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all say goodbye to everybody.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.